Good morning, all of you. Hello, everyone. Kids, now it's your maths class. Okay, so today we are going to learn how to write number 3. We are going to learn how to write number 3. Okay, in our previous classes, we did number 1. We did number 1. Then we did number 2. And I know you all have done it very well. You all are practicing it very well. That's good. Just keep your spirit up, okay, and do practicing. Fine. So first of all, we are going to start with our oral part as we always did. हम सबसे पहले अपना oral part से start करेंगे. Okay, babies. तो shall we start our counting? That is, as I teaches you in our previous class also, how we can count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. 10 is on top of your head. Right? One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. 10 is on our top of our head. Okay, babies? So like this you have to revise your counting daily. Fine? Do your oral part very nicely and practice it daily. Okay, babies? So now we are going to start with the writing pattern. Okay, students. Today is our number is 3. Today's number is 3. Acha, you all know that we did this pattern also in our pattern writing. हमने pattern writing में ये वाला pattern किया था, remember we did this pattern in our pattern writing. So, and I told you, so please do revise this pattern, do it thoroughly and with full concentration so that you will able to make numbers, alphabets and swear properly. Okay, as we did number 1, 2, today we are going to do number 3 with a very simple way as usual, as you did in your previous classes. With this pattern we are going to make number 3. We are going to make number 3. So it is very easy. As you all know, you just have to trace these dots. Okay, babies, आपने इन dots को trace करना है. Can you put your finger on this tree and can you move it like this? A curve, then another curve. It is so simple. A curve, then another curve. A curve, then another curve. Right? So, hold your pencils. Okay. Keep it on the first point like this. And then move it slowly on the dots. This first curve we did nicely now. Now, a second curve. Yay! Now our 3 number is done. See, number 3. Which number is this? Number 3. Which number is this? Number 3. Now one more time. A curve. This one and another curve. See, it is so simple, babies. You just have to concentrate. Okay, you just have to hold your pencil tightly and you just have to trace the dots. It is too easy to do it. From the first point, that is first curve, then the second curve. Yay! Isn't it nice? Number 3. Which number is this? Number 3. Number 3. Number 3. Yay! This is number 3. Which number is this? Yay! First curve, second one. As you all know, we have these boxes in our maths notebook also, and your workbook also you are having the boxes. Okay, so we have to do our maths work in these boxes. We have to write our numbers in these boxes. Okay, it is very important that this bottom half should be touched to the bottom line. Okay babies, ये हमेशा आपका ये जो बॉटम वाली जो लाइन है इसके ऊपर आपने नंबर राइट करना है. शुड बी ऑलवेज टच टू द बॉटम लाइन. इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू राइट वेरी नीटली एंड नाइसली बेबीज. ओके, ये लाइक दिस, देन लाइक दिस. Our number 3. Our number 3. Our number 3. It is so simple. I know that you all can do it. Some of you have already done number 3, practices number 3, when I have given you this in the pattern writing. So now, can you please tell me how many can you please tell me what is this? Yay! This is a pencil. This is a pencil. This is a pencil. Can you please count how many pencils are there? Yeah, can you please count how many pencils I have drawn? This is number 1, 2 and 3. There are 3 pencils. There are 3 pencils. Right? 1, 2 and 3. There are 3 pencils. How many pencils are there? 1, 2 and 3. Can you count it on your fingers, babies? Can you practice with me? 1, 2 and 3. 3 fingers are there. Okay? 3 number is there. 3 pencils are there. Okay babies? Now you have to practice it in your maths workbook. First maths book also. This is your maths book as you all know. Here is number 3. First of all, put your finger here babies. Just move your fingers. One. First curve, then the second curve. Then first curve, then the second curve. Then first curve and then the second curve. Like this. Okay. Then hold your pencil and do trace these dots. Now the activity is there in your book. Draw 3 pencils in a pencil box. I know that you can't draw the pencils. आप बोलोगे मैम हम कैसे पेंसिल ड्रॉ करेंगे? It is not that difficult. You can draw the sleeping lines, 3 sleeping lines and a point there. Okay. So I'll understand that you have drawn the pencils, or you can take the help of your mama. Ask your mama to trace the dot, to make some dots to trace that pencil. Then you can have to write this number 3 here. Can you see these dots? Already dots are given in this workbook. Those who have already did this number 3 in the book, they can do it in your maths workbook also. They can practice in the maths workbook or in a maths notebook. Okay babies, ask your mama to make draw dots and then you can practice it. Fine. And please, again I am telling you babies, please don't do hush hush work. Matlab, there is no such a need to run. Okay, do it slowly. Do the 2 lines one day, 2 lines another day, but please do practice it daily. Okay babies? So thank you so much. I hope it is all clear to you. Number, what is our today's number? Our today's number is number 3. Don't forget our today's number is number 3. Number 3. Chaliye. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care. केयर।